Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Scrl and signing in. Make sure two-factor authentication is complete so your projects sync. Once logged in, tap New Project and enter a clear name, choose Privacy, then pick a template that matches your goal. Templates save time and set defaults for layout and timing. If you plan to record voice or video, grant microphone and camera access now so you won't interrupt the flow later. These first steps set file structure and permissions for smooth editing ahead. You now assemble content. Drag images, video clips, and audio into the timeline and place them in the order your audience needs to follow. Once done, trim clips and set scene duration so pacing feels natural. Transitions smooth movement between ideas and reduce cognitive load. Make use of layers to add text overlays, captions, and music on separate tracks. This keeps edits non-destructive and lets you tweak volume or position independently. Save often and preview to verify timing and emphasis. You finish by running a full preview, listening for level issues and reading captions to ensure clarity. Correct any mismatches and confirm branding elements are consistent. Next, export using the app's recommended settings for your target platform. Choose resolution and bitrate that balance quality and file size. If export fails, first relink any missing media, then clear the app cache and retry. If that doesn't work, reduce export bitrate or split the project and export in sections, then merge externally if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.